I'm gonna tase you. You're gonna get tased, brother.
오클라호마 카운티의 한 부보안관이 교통검문을 실시하던 중 용의자가 차량을 버리고 도주했습니다.
You're gonna get tased. Show your hands. You're gonna get tased. Get down on the ground.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Get down. You're gonna get tased.
I didn't do
Put
nothing
your hands
wrong.
up.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Got one that taser.
Stop turning around.
Get down on the ground. Get down on both knees. Get down on both knees. No. Taser. Dude, you better stop.
도주하는 용의자를 따라잡기 위해 부보안관은 테이저건을 사용합니다.
Get down. Taser deployed. Roll over.
Okay, I'm tased.
Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over.
Why you tasing?
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your Put it behind your back, dude.
Okay. Okay. Why you tasing me?
Because you fled.
I didn't flee.
I'm the police.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. 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 Please. Don't
You
take
move
me.
your hands from your back again, you're gonna get it again. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes. Look at your damn look. Yeah.
잠시 테이저에 대한 짧은 설명을 드리겠습니다. 테이저는 비살상 무기로 분류됩니다. 최신 모델 테이저건은 내부의 압축가스를 이용해 한 개의 작은 탐침을 대상에게 발사합니다. 이 탐침이 대상의 몸에 박히면 얇은 전선을 통해 고압의 전기 충격이 전달됩니다. 신경 근육 무력화를 유도하기 위해서는 최소 2개의 탐침이 대상의 몸에 박혀야 합니다. 장비는 최대 10개의 탐침을 재장전 없이 연속 발사할 수 있어 정확도와 위협 상황 대처 능력을 크게 향상시킨 최신 모델입니다.
Oh, dear. How you gave me? How you gave me?
105th and Western now in the gas station parking lot. Is there anybody close?
How you gave me? How you gave me?
Dude? Get up and you're gonna get tased again. It's all up to you. You're an adult.
Okay, damn, please don't.
Stay down.
How you tasing me?
Dude,
How you tasing me?
you're gonna get it again.
Ah! Why you doing at me like that? Why you tasing me? Why you tasing me? Why you tasing me?
Taser deployed again.
My face is bloody. Why do you bring my...
Get up and you're gonna get tased again.
Ah! Stop! Stop!
Taser deployed again. Can we hold the air with any other traffic, please?
Stop! Stop, please.
Dude, seriously?
Well, stop! I'm down. I'm dead. I'm down. I'm dead.
He keeps chewing the taser wires off.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Alright, put your hands behind your back. We're putting cuffs on now. You just hold your taser out on him. He just keeps chewing the wires.
No, I ain't doing nothing wrong. Why you tasing me? Why you tasing me? Why you tasing me? Why is he tasing me? What happened? Why is he tasing me?
Release the air when I custody. Get up.
I am.
Get up.
Okay,
Yeah, you can. Get up.
결국 여러 차례의 테이저 사용 끝에 현장에서 체포되었습니다.